Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some Crash Bandicoot Blind Boxes that I found at Target. This game is very nostalgic for me, all three of them actually, and I used to play these all the time growing up with my brother. Now there are like remastered editions and stuff, so hopefully my luck is pretty good and I don't get too many repeats because I do want to collect these all eventually. So today I'm going to be unboxing 5 of them, and that being said, I think we should just go ahead and get started. So the first one, let's see how this goes. Yay! She is so cute. So this is Coco. She is Crash's sister. You see her at the beginning of the first game, and you also get to play her in certain spots on the third one. Really, really cute. I love her blue overalls, and I'm glad she's the first one. So now that we have Coco, I can scratch her off the list, and we can move on to the next one. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's see. Ooh. So we have Uka Uka. He is an antagonist, I believe. It's been a while since I played these games, but I'm pretty sure he's a bad guy just like Cortex is. Cool. So that's pretty cool. He's a lot bigger in size compared to Coco, and I am impressed. So we can scratch him off the list now, and we're gonna move on to the third one. Dun dun dun. Hopefully we don't get any repeats. Let's see. And now we have... Alright, so we have Crash with the loopy eyes. So he's adorable, just like his sister is, being silly. And great, so no doubles so far, or no repeats so far. We have 2 more boxes to go. So we can scratch off Crash with the loopy eyes off the box. There he is, 3 out of 24. Moving on to the next one. Dun dun dun. Let's see. So we have... Oh, another Crash. The exact same one, actually. So we have the Loopy Ed Crash. There is 2 other versions. There's one with the glow-in-the-dark arms, and then there's one with a normal eye, like the eyes are normally set. So we have our first doubles, unfortunately, but I'm still optimistic, and it was still not a bad bunch. So we're going to move on to the very last one. Dun dun dun. What can it be? Station. Rip an easy part. Oh. We have another Crash, but I'm not sure if it's the same. Yay! So we have the normal Crash. You can see his eyes are different than the others. So yay! We only had 2 repeats this time around, and now we are a little bit closer to getting all the other figures. So we have the normal Crash, we have Coco, Aku Aku, and then the loopy-eyed Crash. So we can check him off the box as well. There he is. So I'm super excited to do this again. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this and if you've ever played these games, and I will see you guys very soon with another video. Bye guys.